Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So, let's get right into it. To get started, open your Facebook account. On the upper right, click on these three lines, then you will be redirected to menu. Tap on setting icon and select this See More in Account Setter to see the two-factor authentication. Click on Password and Security. Then, tap Two-Factor Authentication. Choose an account you wish to turn off the authentication. Then, tap this SMS or WhatsApp. Then, switch off this slide button. After turning off, the notification will appear. If you want to turn it off, click this Turn Off and we're good to go. So, that's how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.